Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and home essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of security with a product that's been making waves in the market, the DAYI Safe Box. Specifically designed to safeguard your cash, valuables, and important documents, this safe is packed with features to give you peace of mind. Let's kick things off by talking about security. When it comes to protecting your valuables, the DAYI Safe Box pulls out all the stops. Crafted with precision laser cutting technology and a pry-resistant door, this safe is built to withstand physical attacks. Plus, with 3 live locking bolts and advanced locking technology, you can trust that your belongings are safe and secure. But security isn't the only thing this safe has to offer. It also comes with an extra layer of protection in the form of a fireproof and waterproof bag. Perfect for storing documents, cash, and small valuables. This bag ensures that your important items stay safe in case of emergencies. Now, let's talk about convenience. With a battery-powered digital locking system and programmable keypad, accessing your belongings has never been easier. Whether you prefer using a passcode or a manual override key, this safe offers seamless access when you need it most. One feature that really sets the DAYI Safe Box apart is its dual alarm system. Designed to give you peace of mind, this system triggers a loud 70 decibel alarm in the event of 3 incorrect password attempts or any forceful breach, deterring potential intruders and alerting you to any unauthorized access attempts. But that's not all. This safe is also designed with versatility in mind. With a removable shelf and built-in hooks for optimal organization, you can customize the interior to suit your needs. Plus, with an integrated LED sensor light, accessing your belongings is easy, even in the dark. Wrapping up, the DAYI Safe Box combines functionality and aesthetics with its elegant design. Whether it's in your home or office, this safe is sure to blend in seamlessly while keeping your valuables protected. And there you have it, the DAYI Safe Box, the ultimate solution for keeping your cash and valuables secure. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest products on the market. Until next time, stay safe and secure.